electric street fighter. Handling and suspension. The RS version comes with upgraded suspension, typically Marzocchi forks and Bitubo rear shock, and they are sprung stiffly to handle the battery weight. In the corners, the bike doesn't flick side to side like a 600cc sport bike. It requires deliberate countersteering. But once it's leaned over, it is unshakable. Potholes and mid-corner bumps that would upset a lighter bike are just absorbed by the sheer mass and quality damping. Braking. Stopping a 573-pound missile requires serious hardware. The dual 330mm Brembo discs up front are fantastic, but the real hero is the regenerative braking. You can adjust it on the fly. In high mode, I rarely touch the actual brake lever. You just roll off the throttle, and the motor drag slows you down aggressively while recharging the battery. It creates this one-pedal flow state through the twisties that gas bikes just can't replicate.